folks, welcome to the Camping Post. Today we're going to respond to a comment we got on our Everest 2X stove review. We didn't get into a whole lot of detail on the review. It was our first video that we did when we started this channel. The stove kind of spurred us to get back into camping, but the question was, did we do any cook tests? So I thought I'd do a quick boil test. There are a ton of boil tests and comparisons out there on YouTube and on the internet, but we do want to show that at least it does boil water relatively quickly in under 3 minutes, which I think is fantastic. But again, I think for me, the biggest thing is temperature control, as well as the extra added BTUs, 20,000 BTUs, so you can cook it super hot. You can cook things quickly. But for me, it's cooking them evenly. I get a lot more temperature control with this than I have on any other stove I've ever owned. So here's our boil test and some examples of us cooking on the Everest 2X Camp Chef stove. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you find any of this information useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. What we're going to do here for our Everest 2X boil test is we're going to take a liter of water and our GSI 3-liter saucepan, and we are going to see how quickly it takes to boil that water. I'm going to pour the water in. That is a liter of water. Then we are going to set up our timer. And then we are going to turn on the gas and strike it up. And then we are going to hit our stopwatch. Here we go. Now we're going to let this run completely unedited just for face value so that you know no funny business or editing hacks have been done to show anything different about this camp stove. I'm already starting to see some bubbles form down in the pot. We're at 125. Coming around on 2 minutes now, and I'm already starting to see bubbles come up the side. The 220 bubbles are actually starting to come up the center. I would probably say that's boiled enough for me, but if you were boiling water to purify it, you'd want to do that for much longer. We'll see what happens when we get here around 3 minutes. Now, coming up on 3 minutes, I would say that that water is boiling. I would call that an easy 3-minute boil. The Everest 2X does live up to expectation. We love it for cooking. It does quick boil water, but what I like is that I get a better temperature control on the valve here for even cooking temperatures. All right, well, there it is. And now we're going to show some of the food we have cooked on our Everest 2X Camp Chef stove. Here is some steak that we cooked for fajitas by setting a cast iron griddle on top of the 2 burners on our Everest 2X stove. And here are the beans and the fajita veggies. And here we got some bacon frying on the cast iron griddle, as well as some sausages. And as always, our favorite meal of the day, breakfast. And that's pretty much it. We love cooking with this camp stove. It makes our lives so much easier when we're camping, and we highly recommend it. So thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications.